purposeful, life-driven message. Purposeful, life-driven message. The reason I'm not the one to motivate you, and I'm not going to motivate you, or I'm not going to encourage you or whatsoever. But then may draw attention to what you know, what you need to do. Because now we really it me chinwa doing siso me kaiwo na fins one who say way and I was send me here was sitting near brabo imo. Because I am not going to ask you to bring anything to me or take anything from you. And every time when I get the opportunity, I say the hidden truth that your pastors, your prophets will not tell you. I will tell you, and I will give it to you for free. I've been having issues with lots of people, but this is me. That's how I was created. So that's how I live. The reason I always say live well before you live, and live the way you want to live before you leave. So that's the way I want to live. And the reason I always share with you what I think it is purposeful, life-driven message. So this morning, let's do that. Now, dear menewo ebechelo makruchire mebe kan amawo na fi mabombo de achire wo twim na fe yakoyanim. Yes, you may have disagreement, but I agree with you to disagree with me, because if you don't disagree with me, and I say, we must have disagreement all of the time when it comes to issues at hand. And no never boa na feel so you're getting the right path. Dear me say, I, Kwame Agyarko, have seen worms in mongoose. I have seen worms in mongoose. Worms no crab in carry tree was and so and guavas, but never in lemons. But never in lemons. Maybe that's why I've learned not to be too sweet with certain people. A little bitterness protects you from a lot of disappointment. A little bitterness protects you from a lot of disappointment. Me say, so a mango and a guava. Yeah, udumuze ebi wo kra sen ni dua no so kra ntinto fam kra obi hu se na asa pro na nsonsono ni namu asa tito fam ha na nsonsono asa wurawura mu anu namu saa je se ne de na ewo mu no wo pe wo mo kwa kodi. But me hunu say lemon men kan dube won. I can't dube, yeah, because me to me can say anka dube sa lemon kitten no and a baku bin so san wo. One who said yes TNT, yeah, me dear me who sends so awura muda and so etisa lemon muda. Because when baby sounds so na who said dear what lemon no mono on to me ni on to me nenentina. And you on to mean conquer say lemon no. See at the hosa called Pim say no other pro. As whom who says on Sunako Ramu a did that. It may Masuya a pay a who says, see, may I sell lemon? Men yet the beam, sir. Men yet de, Sebeo be a bit to me a banner, baby Remy, no, did your pet no cock. No, did your pet no court. There be may I say lemon. May I say a dube sana mekano. Oba, you cannot live with me. Because the people who always and usually live with us, no, they are the same people who kill us. They are the same people who find trouble for us. They are the same people who lead us into temptation. They are the same people are your downfall, woman orchestrating, woman plotting, a planning. So I ain't going to live with that people again. So I'm beginning to turn to lemon. So I've developed a policy say, you see, offer me a say me to me that you are fine, but I mean to me fine, I mean so may you be at a car. Bia no pay you to you back at him say, ah, that yetina Kwame Kasa said, Tron say, young Fabonenche, and a meditum, Tron is young Fabonenche. But you and I, Uncle said him, say, Chidian Boyanko no boy, no. Our children quantine no, or sister one fasa quantine no swa, a such a hold him out. You get my point? That is the reason why at the end of the day and at the end of every life, you see judgment. And when that judgment comes, you won't be forgiven for the sins one kasa were committed. You would be judged. And appropriately, Babia, you who belong to, you know, they will send you there. So you get my point. Me new bonnet, me new bonnet. But the other be me no, say me to me the achewa, me to me the bechew. But say me to me me so me you be atika. That's all. That's all. Because you know why? And I'm say ya Daniel mango near Danny guava near Daniel dear dentino nipa biaba no abedi ubone no ko. Nipa biaba no abeye de ensem fata de achiro no ko. On sem fata kra se nko obeben wo betumi akasa wanim. But enam say why do you say, oh, you want all, you want to live with all, you want to like mingle with all, you know. No abefa kwanya na de obenya no onya wi a no san di ubone no okọ. But senka wa man sa opportunity sa kwanya na. Kontumi medi sa 777 nsem hunu no nkyere wo. Ko be fere okura no wasuro wanim kura mpokura se obeye obi bi sha. Se we bi adwuma obi ni adwuma ye na obo na mananya adwuma ye na wagina ne nan so na nipa na ba no wo se bo kro no na nipa na ba no wo se ye niam ebe ma adwuma na ate akofem wo se me de che no na me ne na sa atena ne adi adwuma. No. Then you are killing yourself, you are destroying yourself, you are allowing yourself in fact to be murdered. Nipa trimu osum, nipa trimu odin. Nipa nye. Nipa mfa ho se woni ni san, woni ni tua na mo woni ni nam. Na wo na nkasa no, onam wo hu edididi. Obetumi di wudi akodidi di agye nneoma ahodo na wonim ho hwe. Oh, asimasi yo we. Metumi de na ba otie masem sei. Enti wo de mo pese mame no akogye de ahye no ho kese pa. Empokra sen ko gi ye na ko ba ye no hu we sei ki nti wo de giwe a kefe. Then you can compromise and live with that. But obedi no find ways and means to lure in their own pet. So I have learned to be like a lemon. I won't tolerate anything again. Oba na emfa ko baby makom baby. Oba na emfa minie winie. Oba na emfa enyenhye. Find your way, I'll find my way. The reason here adwuma mu mpenifo thought I was say my yiwe di masaki we because oha the vision, the policy any nipa no de oye na emfa nti pe baby fa na me pe me baby fa asa eno ano. The reason so adwuma yeni oha the vision of the company and in the vision enkwa wase maja adwuma no me come baby. If you can compromise, yes, continue. If you cannot compromise, live. Because and here, I do call say him. And here, babe dane said ye, I did not etiano, the own peno, best is some free wusu eso aqua deno. And I feel young Piemo, Corinthians chapter 15, verse number 33. Nafi what yes. Eti had no of my NLT any NIV ena ode my our help them but share me hanum swa and also a new international version Hanti NIV no and that so or say do not be misled. Bad company corrupts good character. If you allow this bad company, this bad character, no bad life more, ebe corrupt you, ebe say you. Ti say the and so say a mango ni guava no, but say we a lemon one ma ho kwan they cannot corrupt your character, they cannot spoil it. NLT knows what say, don't be fooled by those who say such things, for bad company corrupts good character. What it? Chino or say mumma one nada mo fake wo boni say obrapa. Fake wo boni say obrapa. And only 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse number 33. And no nedia dia my yanko Proverbs chapter 22 verse 24 to 25 na and also they ready on also air cover honum nti what would the me say fiti na come be than a lemon na wo than a lemon no emma nipa bi emewura wa brabo mu mese wa brabo mese usuban ebia na wa brabo no wo vision na wonam so but ono ba ye no because of ono ne interest bi wo no wanya sumfa so ntino no de aba be corrupt wo de no no say wo de na. However, let me let you know say every step bia wo na wieye wonya nura wieye ntina wonhu mfa so no, continue on that step, keep taking those steps, you will win. At the end of the day, your philosophy, your vision will be understood and accepted by lots. Obidia now ye na ye ofa person okofa no ono na hye na namu tu ase no tu ye na ye ofe na okoe digana fo onim se ye petrend pa obinya ye bibia ni nyina ye tu odi achi yankasa ye ntumi create bibi yourself na ye stick it to it na ye nye oh we na trend ni nyina na atu ye hu agum ni nyina ya trend ya sha. It takes visionary people to come out with different things. Now Proverbs chapter 22 verse 24 and 25 no also my NIV and NLT by me hanom so me working James version Mamendi kan me de nafi me de wababira New International Version also and so no, make no friendship with an angry man, and with a furious man thou shalt not go. Let thou learn his ways and get a snare to thy soul. And I say, do not make friends with a hot-tempered man. Do not associate with one easily angered. NLT say, don't befriend angry people or associate with hot-tempered people. Chino or say, ene obufufafo mfa yonko na ene oberima ni brefo mmo. Ooh la 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 la. Na wansia na kwan. Na wanye fedie amma okra. Brofono, or you will learn to be like them and endanger your soul. They will spoil you. You endanger your soul. Or you may learn his ways and get yourself ensnared. Be you. The company never for you to keep on. Your lemon. Or banu who say warn you know, sebi, ni sim who know de ba, ni kwasa sama or de ba. And to me no one to know beko. They will live. But the banu who say coin da o ho a, obedi ubone, obe how, obe sesa wa coin. Na fin so obeku wo kra a ikuta wono. This morning, this is what I want to share with you. And this morning, this is what I want you to understand. Sebeya minu mienu abeboayen. Sebeya minu mienu yana setena ni anamuntu ebesisiye ebekoye. Sebeya minu mienu, we can be responsible for the consequences of our decisions today. Because the decisions we are taking, we are making today, no. Watching everyone so. Say a papa, say a bonio, everyone so. Today we are making say. ochina nkojina baby nkase madam fuyi ene ma me yewe madam fuyi ene ma me yewe enye onu anka menye da bi ono ne de en de da no obeda da o nti wo hwe na wo pa na waji atum nti wo hwe ya wo pe no na agi tu mu na akoye ena nsunsuanso na ba bia obi foforo ni nsunsuanso is different from what there. So man it, take it, be responsible and live with it. Mfasubo mo bia yena Christopher yene ayese ya Christopher ya jinyankopon de no. We love giving excuses than taking responsibility. Be responsible today. And when you become responsible, you will know what you are doing. And when you know what you are doing, you will achieve what you want to achieve. And when you achieve what you want to achieve, people will look for you and understand your ways. They will learn your ways. Obabedane icon. That's what I have for you this morning. Bidin de Kwame Agyarko. Ya kwaba komo ho. Mini ubedi nkomo pi ensem akoso o man mu ha de enya nsem ketwa. Enya nsem ketwa o. Ye man mu ha nsem akoso papa. Nsem akoso corruption hun sensem. Ekuo bi adi nkomo achiremu de corruption bitumi ayeye. No ma chiremu ba bia corruption so ye sha ase de free. E ba be di ho nkomo. Education minister adi nkomo. Okay, say teacher for head also e bi hit street yam for mo, e bi hit street yentua o mo ka. E ho nsem ne e ho nkomo ebeba. Nsem ne de also Dawson, ya ba ye be wura na fe ya di ni nyina ho nkomo. Executive producer no pa ye nana ya frames. Ya friend BB wo fidie mu a. Aha. Obe direct show no. Sanso na Kelvin so the year kwa homantin time so. But for now, let's leave this space for sports crew no mo betena sim. Na agudi mo nsem a e koso we memo ha tebet no. Wo mo de ni nyina e de abrayen awo ya kasa fidie so kopem se so for now, let's go enjoy tidbits around the world of sports from AS Sports 4.